Quick review on this bag I brought on Amazon. It's pretty cool. It has 2 cup holders, which I've been using it as for school. It has another pocket right here. The 2 cup holders in the front. And now, when you open it up, it is pretty big, as you can see. It has a lot of space. I got clothes, sneakers, and it holds a lot. It's pretty cool, the bag. As you can see, the size, and that is the tag, and it's pretty cool. It has a long tab, so you can hang it off your shoulders, or it has these 2 small ones that you can carry, like a gym bag. Oh, it's awesome. It is a gym bag, but I've been using it for classes, and I've been very satisfied. Well, thanks. Hope you like. Thank you very much.